Alright, in this video we're going to look at how you can create a scatter plot using Excel. We'll also look at how you can add titles and the line for your linear regression equation, all in Excel. So what I have here is I have two variables, an explanatory variable and a response variable, and just a very small data set that we're going to be working with for this example. So what I'm going to do to create my scatter plot is I'm first going to highlight all of my data. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click in the first box that contains a number. I'm going to hold my mouse, I'm going to drag down, and then I'm going to drag across so that I have highlighted all of the numbers in my data set, and then I'm going to go ahead and release the mouse. Now at this point I'm going to go ahead and come up to Insert, which is next to the Home button, and then I've got all these different options for different types of charts that I can create. We want the one that looks like a scatter plot, so it should be in the middle on the bottom. And then we want just this first option. All the other ones in here are not what we're looking for. I have never used them. We just want this first one, which is a scatter plot. So I'm going to click on that. And there we go. There's our scatter plot, nice and beautiful. Okay, Excel will choose the best scaling for you. So let's see. I've got a chart title in here, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to double click and then double click again, and that'll allow me to start deleting words here. So that's going to be my explanatory versus my response for the title. Alright, and now I need to add labels for my horizontal and my vertical axis. So up in this upper left hand corner we have Add Chart Element. So I'm going to click on this, and then I want to add axis titles. So I'm going to do the primary horizontal axis title first. Okay, again, double click. It'll allow you to start deleting. So this is going to be my explanatory variable, whatever that variable is. And now I'm going to come up to Add Chart Element again, axis title, and now I want to do the vertical axis. Okay, and then this is, our response variable. So there is just the basic scatter plot showing my explanatory variable, my response variable, and then a title for this. So now we want to go ahead and we want to add the line that shows the equation for our linear regression. So I'm going to click Add Chart Element again, and I'm going to come down to Trend Line. Okay, and I've got several options here. We're looking for a linear relationship, so I'm going to click on Linear. And now we can see it's added this dotted line, and that's showing me the equation of my linear regression. Okay, so it also brought up some options for the trend line. So if you click on your trend line, so you'll notice I've got this dot right here and this other dot down here. So I've clicked on my trend line. So one of the things that I want to go ahead and do is I want to go ahead and view the equation that it's giving me. So if you scroll on the right hand side, scroll down, click on Display Equation on Chart. So now we can see the equation that we have for this trend line. And there you go. That is how you create a scatter plot, and then how you add your scatter plot and the equation of that linear regression line to the scatter plot.